Les mecs, aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pas pour 1, ni 2, ni 3, mais 4 heures de let's play. C'est totalement faux. On va faire 30 minutes comme une petite merde. Parce que le monteur, il a entendu 4 heures, il s'est dit, mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? C'est totalement faux. On va faire 30 minutes en bien. Les gars, c'est parti. On reprend là où on s'est arrêté, les gars.
I'm sure Q's waiting for you. Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taksim.
Ah, Recruit Bond, if I'm not mistaken. Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for my jaw. Think I dropped it somewhere.
Happens all the time. Welcome to Q Branch.
Where might I find Q?
Down past the central platform.
Cheers. Who is this Q person?
He's the head of branch. Dapper-looking chap, but don't let appearances fool you. The man's mind is as sharp as the crease in his trousers.
That should narrow the list. What exactly is Q Branch?
MI6's internal R&D division. We design customized field equipment for that extra edge.
I'm not getting a cyanide tooth, if that's what you mean.
Cold War myth. We prefer to keep you alive.
Then we're on the same page.
Là, faut qu'on aille voir Q.
That drone nearly gave our new recruit a free haircut. Keep your test flights tighter.
Point taken, Gary. No more free haircuts.
Donc là, on est un peu dans la DA, t'as capté la DA agent secret. Ils ont repris un peu les codes du film. J'aime bien, j'aime bien.
Good to see things in order.
James Bond, stand still.
I'm looking for someone called Q.
And you found him. Right, step through here, please. Now, look into these. Hold still, eyes open.
What was that?
It's your lenses. They need a little time to calibrate, so you won't see anything just yet. Ah, interesting. Right, follow me. I have something for you. Pick one.
I already have a watch.
Oh, you do? May I see it?
Non, ma montre. Non. Oh. Ouais, je sais pas, vous l'avez brûlé ma montre, le bâtard. L'enculé. Je vois, on dirait des oméga. Eh, voilà.
What's the difference?
Des oméga, la team. Je me permets de remettre un coup. Attends les gars, des oméga, on va flinguer, wesh. On va flinguer sur le champ de bataille ou quoi là? Putain, faut que je choisisse, putain, je suis con. Les gars, on prend quoi? Répondez en commentaire. Non, bah non, c'est pas possible, sinon... non, c'est pas possible. Parce que sinon je dois arrêter la vidéo, sinon c'est pas possible quoi. Il a fait ça. J'hésite comme si c'est moi qui allais la porter, alors que pas du tout. Moi, je prends celle-là. En gris, en bien.
You're the first recruit to receive one. Give it a moment to calibrate. Switch on the Q lens overlay. Now, use the watch to turn off the two lamps on the table in front of you. Excellent. Great work. It has a variable active range and a 360 reach angle. To be honest, we haven't tested it to its limit yet. Why don't you give it a try?
Oh putain, je vais pirater la moto. Magnifique. Magnifique, ça m'a couillasse, oui. Je vous le dis, ça c'est pas la collab avec Audemars Piguet et Swatch, hein. Ça je vous le dis.
Montgomery, we need a clean-up over here.
Ah ok donc. Ah il y a une partie pour... Ok c'est bon j'ai capté. J'ai capté la DA. J'ai capté. On peut saboter. Wesh. Ah c'est juste pour... En fait je suis juste un... Juste là pour casser les couilles. Quoi. Juste là pour faire chier.
James Bond. I've been monitoring you quite closely.
The last time someone told me that,
Oh non je rebaille
country in
putain.
some haste.
Je suis en train de rebailler.
Oh, which country?
Oh non.
Which time?
Dr. Selena Tan. I'm in charge of tactical simulations. My department specializes in performance management and skill development. I've been working with Thea on a prototype based on the Iceland incident. Once the system is operational, I'd very much like you to have a go.
Oh, I'm not sure. Ever been one for nostalgia?
You're intrigued, admit it. Come and see me after training. I promise you won't be disappointed.
Wesh ça me drague et tout là. C'est le mec qui voit la drague partout. Elle me drague ou quoi la gadget là? La gadget est en train de me draguer en fait. Là je récupère tous les trucs bleus. Comme ça on a full up de... Voilà. Ça, on est full. On est rempli de trucs bleus. On est rempli d'éthanol là.
You all sorted?
Bien
Yes.
sûr on part en mission,
You're
let's
ready
go.
to leave? I'll brief you on advanced training. Your keys.
Merci madame.
Your digs. MI6 is setting you up in safe houses for the next 6 months. You're with Cressida and Monroe.
So we're not going back to Malta?
I show you this and you want to go back to bunk beds. I'd kill for a place like that. But yes, you'll be going back and forth between MI6 and Malta for advanced training. And when in London, you'll just have to slam it in Bayswater.
Stephen Bright.
Foreign Secretary Bright. Bond.
I was just dropping off a few boxes for Cressida. I hope we'll meet again.
Ouais, son père il fait partie du gouvernement.
Hey, Bond. Welcome home.
Hey guys. Hey, Bond. You gotta check this place out. Rooms are in the back. We left you the worst one. Enter the hall to the left.
Monroe. It's a great room, Bond. Bond, in here. I've got something for you.
Oula.
Hey, Cress.
Elle va me donner quoi la gadget? Qu'est-ce qu'elle va me donner en fait?
Donc t'es un mec bizarre, toi. Tu vois, t'es pas un bonhomme, toi. Tu t'assois pas à notre table.
I just met him at the door.
Yes.
En fait elle veut.
Monroe.
Elle veut. Tu veux hein? Tu désires.
When did you get here?
About 40 minutes ago.
You're already plastering the walls with study plans.
We have a lot of work ahead of us, but not a lot of time.
What have you got for me?
The key to your room. Obviously, the best room's already taken, but the second best one's still free.
Really?
Yeah. How Monroe makes decisions is a mystery to me. The key's on my desk.
Notes and a mess. In 40 minutes, I'm impressed.
Shut it.
Eh
You're
ouais,
starting to
gros.
sound like Monroe.
40 minutes t'as déjà tout foutu en bordel mon pote.
Why do you think this room is the best one?
Facing east, releasing endorphins in the morning. Cold in the evening and not facing the streets. The bathroom is right next door. Of course, the pipes and the drains are facing this way, but that's a small concern compared to the upsides.
You really considered all that?
Who wouldn't? Besides, I really like the color.
Comment elle fait du blaire, comment elle abuse du bail. Elle a juste choisi ça parce que c'est une chambre en fait. C'est tout. Ah les clés.
Boxing glove.
It's for you. Practically had your name on it.
That meant to be a jab.
Les keys.
Well, this is me then.
J'ai une bonne chambre de merde. Par contre les king size en
Yeah,
bien.
this does beat the bunk beds.
Ah, Monroe. Are you hacking my laptop again? Stop it.
Oh, I can't. This watch is too cool.
Ah mais c'est vrai ils ont tous les montres. Je pense que j'étais le seul.
What are you up to? Trying to read my messages?
Studster 555 wants to see you again.
Ugh, please. I mean it. Stop it. You're going to break it. Find something else to hack, please.
All right, all right. Something to hack. Aha.
Boys, someone needs to unpack the kitchen. What's for dinner?
Leave it. Let's head out and celebrate.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Well, they left us a drinks trolley.
Fully stocked. I checked.
Won't hear me complaining.
Gotta love this watch. It's great, right?
Not bad at all.
Powerful thing, this watch. Bond, you want to try the game? Take this card. Look at it for 10 seconds and try to memorize as much as possible.
Vas-y, on va essayer.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now, tell me what the symbols were in the bottom corners.
Merde.
Umbrella and crown.
And that's
Bien,
correct.
Je suis un monstre. Je suis une machine. Je suis une machine. Je suis une putain de machine. Allez, on enchaîne, on va faire notre petite mission parce que là j'abuse. Là, je suis pas agent secret, là je sers à rien.
Not bad, eh?
It's all right. For a little while, I suppose.
Now you're here, you can help us settle something. I'll just get Monroe. Hey, Monroe. Mind coming to the kitchen?
Coming.
Bond, you'll be the judge. What do you say? This grotesque pastiche of hypermasculine tropes, or this piece massively commanding negative space with a quiet intensity?
In other words, the cool picture or the boring one?
Vu qu'on est un gros BDH dans la vie comme dans les jeux, même dans les trucs à choix, j'ai toujours été un putain de BDG. Parce qu'il n'y a pas un BDH du coup. Vu que je suis un bandeur de meufs, eh ben on va choisir ce qu'elle veut. Et on va choisir ça. Parce qu'elle veut, elle a dit quoi tout à l'heure? Elle a dit va dans la chambre, je fais ok j'arrive. Donc, voilà. Voilà, on tente des choses. On tente des choses.
Let's go eat.
Thank God, I'm starving. Hi, there's a decent Indian just around the corner. There's just
C'est parti, première mission à l'extérieur avec toute l'équipe, avec tout le crew. C'est parti. C'est parti la team. Ah mais c'est vrai, on enchaîne entre Malte et les missions à l'extérieur.
Always do the unexpected. It's the first rule of spycraft. Task is simple. Go in and get the flag. No lethal force is allowed unless the opponent has intent to kill. This may not be real guns, but we still play by those rules. Is that understood? Bond, your first Cressida Monroe will be your radio support. Try not to embarrass yourself.
Earpiece is in, boys. What's our strategy?
We just have to wing it, won't we?
Alors je vais tenter un truc que j'ai vu sur TikTok. Bon, ça m'a un peu spoil le jeu, mais normalement tu fais un truc comme ça. Et ça peut me faire gagner grave du temps. J'ai juste testé. Ah, si je teste, je fais ça. Attends. Si je fais ça, je fais ça. Alors j'ai vu ça, je sais pas où, mais apparemment ça fonctionne. C'est par là. Et en gros tu vas récupérer le drapeau comme ça. Et si ça marche, je suis une machine. Si ça marche, je suis trop fort.
Bond, what are you playing at? Always do the unexpected, right?
Bond, why am I not surprised?
La vie de ma mère, ça marche.
Too easy.
La vie de ma mère, ça marche. Là, on va gagner 10 minutes. Oh, le let's play de fou. Oh la vie de ma mère, ça a fonctionné. Je suis mort.
Again.
Je suis mort, ça a marché.
Establishing a baseline is the first thing they'll want to do. Answer truthfully. What's your name?
James Bond,
How old are you?
26.
That's our baseline. Now watch this. You don't like me, do you?
What? No, I don't.
Well, this is awkward. But the line is flat, so he's telling the truth. Small initial waves just before
Là on passe
shows that
le...
he's under some duress picking his
Merde,
answer. Let's
test
try
de
again.
mensonge.
Do you think telling me you don't like me will affect my ability to judge you objectively?
Based on our past experience, yes.
Bah, techniquement on est obligé de dire la vérité.
You think I'm incompetent?
Pas techniquement, non.
Do you miss your parents?
None of your business.
Being a young age has left you rudderless and unable to finish anything meaningful.
Oh yeah, I'm deeply broken.
Bah là voilà, je viens de mentir.
You think I've overstepped? You do realize that people who put you in that chair in real life will not play fair.
Dig in.
Ah je vois, il y a un autre mec sur le dossier, y a pas de problème. T'inquiète pas mon gars, y a pas de
You
problème.
made it out.
Ah,
Oh yes, it was very dangerous.
Bond. We're waiting.
ah non, je crois qu'apparemment mon personnage est sur un autre dossier. Oula, ok d'accord, ok. Ok, nickel. Ok, d'accord. Bon ben, super.
Archives.
Are you comfortable?
Thank you. I am.
Let's calibrate. What's your name?
Cressida Bright.
Eye color?
Pale blue-grey.
Okay, that's a solid baseline. Now, start spinning Porky's crest.
Ready? Here we go.
How old are you?
52.
How the hell do you do that? Try something harder?
Do you agree that privilege like yours makes one lose touch with reality?
What privilege? When my parents died, all they left me was a cat and a moth-eaten couch.
Ah non, c'est pas son père alors, ça doit être... je crois qu'il... Ah non, parce qu'elle ment en fait, ça passe. Ok.
Did you say? Then who wrote that note in the kitchen? Darling, please reconsider Sandringham this weekend. Many important people there. We could get you back on track in no time. Love, Omar.
Oh, that. You mistaken Monroe's family for mine.
That's rich. You'll have to try harder to trip her up, Bond.
Oh, c'est à la gauche là.
So Cressida, how long have you had the hots for Monroe?
I don't. Hey, that is not fair, Bond.
What?
Ouais, vas-y, regarde, regarde comment il kiffe ce fils de pute. Comment il en kiffe.
Say so.
Comment il est en train de kiffer sa race.
Before you use these gadgets in the field, it's important you understand how they work. These phones do more than just make calls. Bond, Ronson, please pick up a phone and load up from the chemicals on the workbench.
Can't wait.
Téléphone fléchette.
Found what I need.
Splendid. Ronson, step into the red square. Bond, step into the blue circle.
Well, this is going to suck.
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
Nausea, dizziness, and disorientation. The target's balance is affected, making it impossible for them to remain standing in one place. Perfect for when you need someone out of your way.
Oh, shit. It's not possible.
Correct. Given your current inability to listen to my guidance, it is not. Bond, you're up.
You'll get there, mate.
I don't know. I need some air.
You can't control the target, Monroe, but you can learn to control you. Bond, pick up the gun and hit the target.
Sounds simple enough.
Ah là, c'est pour se concentrer du coup.
Almost. skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
Again.
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me. Always do the unexpected. Fast rule of spycraft.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, you still beat me.
Well, of course. But still.
Early day tomorrow. Catch the flag at daybreak. SAS are prepping for it now. Suggest you get some rest.
I remember when Sundays were Sundays. Yeah. Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off? I wish. I'm serious. Don't we go get the flag now? Have a well-deserved rest tomorrow.
That's actually not a bad idea.
What? You want to do this, Chris?
First with spycraft? Greenway can't possibly object.
Ah là, ils veulent récupérer le drapeau direct, comme ça c'est fait.
They're gonna stand there all night.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpiece is in. Let me know when you're through.
Hey, guys.
What are you doing here? Let's go.
Listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on the courses, but if you choose to see through our superiority, we're actually really nice people.
You believe this girl? Piss off.
Okay, I'm just messing with you. I am serious about not being eye to eye. It's silly, really. So you just wanted to reach out and invite you over tomorrow night. Know each other at
Bond.
training.
Over here. More of them. We need to get past if we want to find the flag.
Okay. I'll go around the side, see if I can distract them.
Allez, c'est parti.
But I didn't see. How did you? Try knight takes queen.
If that's you, Bennett, I'm gonna stick this knight somewhere you won't like it.
Wesh, ça rigole pas.
Okay, let's split up.
Ça
I'll
rigole
go this
pas
way.
du tout.
We need intel on the flag's location ASAP.
On it. Keep in touch.
Oh merde, merde.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, listen. Greenway's birthday's coming up and we're throwing him a little thing. Just spreading the word. Mind if I pass?
Okay, go ahead.
Merci, boss.
Cheers.
Guettez bien, guettez bien. Ah, on peut le tuer. Hop, tac. Allez, viens, tu prends un trou dans ta tête.
Monroe? They're having a party without us. Bit insulted. Any word from your two friends?
Nah, still out. They just don't make SAS troopers like in my day.
Okay, I'll keep looking. There's a building across the compound that looks like a good place to start.
Sounds like you boys are enjoying your little game of hide and seek.
Oh, je viens de trouver une tech. Oh, attends. Ça, c'est un générateur. Ça, c'est deux bidons de... Oh là là. Guettez bien. Oh non, j'ai plus... Et là, il y a il full up de monde. Faut que je me bouge. Mais non! Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Mais non!
I don't get this.
Forget it. Je suis une machine. Je suis une machine, les gars.
No idea what that was about.
I want a full search of this area.
On it. First touch for Abrak. He's been impressing everyone with his form since the start of the season.
Great promise from the home side this evening.
Yes, there really
Keep
is.
searching.
And some of that comes down to the way the manager, Murphy, has worked on the
Viens là,
team's
toi.
movement.
This area
And it's a proven result.
This is getting stupid.
Steps across. Busts it out to Keating, who evades the heavy challenge from Emble. It plays it down the line to Hendricks. It's a dangerous break.
I can feel it. We're near. Oh, don't you dare run!
You're in it now, Bond.
Certainly am.
Une machine.
Back on track.
Je suis une
The
machine.
guy's taking a bit of a kick.
I'm stuck on the top floor with a bloody flag.
Hope you bought a good book. There's no way we're letting them get that far.
Je sais pas par où passer là. Par contre.
Bond, just overheard a couple of troopers talking about the flag. It's on the top floor of the back building. Meet me up there.
On my way.
Ah, il est là-haut, ok. En vrai, si je cours, je suis pas cramé. Je suis pas cramé, je suis pas cramé. Je suis pas cramé, les autres.
The Sterling's hot. Lost there. Check their status and watch your back.
Et hop, tout est fait. C'est pas de l'eau par terre ça. Et si c'était de l'eau, j'avais raison.
Bond, have you checked the top floor?
Not so far.
We'll solve it. Keep looking.
Ça j'ai réussi. Je suis un monstre.
Can't see anything here. What was on for? That's it, thought you were on perimeter.
Done. Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm going to get a steak before we're all gone.
Be right behind you. I can smell them from up here.
Putain, il m'a pas vu. Je suis un monstre. Je suis trop fort.
You got it? Right here.
Follow me. I've got a plan. Huh?
Bond? Monroe? Status?
Monroe just crashed the party.
Come on, take him down! Christ! Oi, come back! Oi, lads! Up here! Up there! Get him!
There's too many of them. Sit rep. We're screwed. Thanks, mate.
Things just got sticky. Main door exit's not really an
Vas-y,
option
viens,
just now.
viens, viens. Hop.
New plan. The backside.
Monroe's in trouble.
Ce que je viens de faire là.
Lock the door.
Merde.
Circle around and meet you there.
Je passe de l'autre
See
côté.
you in a bit.
Weakling. Oh, it's
Ah mais faut que je repasse du coup là où j'étais tout à l'heure. Là je monte au-dessus.
Give me another one of your slaps. No point in running.
Et là, ah ok, c'est bon, j'ai.
Bond, here, in the boat.
Allez, cours. Je fais une machine. Je suis trop chaud. Ah, faut que je conduise, putain.
Just pin the route for you. Good call on the boat, Cress. I owe you one.
You can add it to the tab.
Glad to hear you're all safe. Could you get a move on it? Can we get?
Wesh, comment Haïtien? Wesh, wesh. T'es Haïtien comment?
Take that one. Can't talk right now. Sorry. Pulling it a bit close there. No worries, mate. All the time in the world.
New course. Tougher opposition, tighter deadline. So be smart. Fastest win gets extra credits. Yes, what is it, Bond?
First rule of spycraft.
Always do the unexpected.
And what about it?
We followed it, sir.
Allez hop. Ça dégage. On a pas besoin de faire l'épreuve.
Grab your coat. We're going out.
Don't tell me. Tea and cucumber sandwiches.
You wish. Come on.
Here's to everything not MI6. Can't fault their timing.
Me and my big mouth.
Bon, les mecs, c'est ici qu'on s'arrête. J'espère que vous avez kiffé. On aura plein d'occasions de... Je vais faire moins longtemps que la première. Je vous fais plein de bisous. Je vous aime et j'espère que vous avez kiffé. Bisous.